Imagine you're about to print an important document or a cherished family photo. The choice you make between a laser and an inkjet printer could determine not just the quality of your print, but also how much you spend, how quickly you get your pages, and how long your prints last. The debate between laser and inkjet printers is as relevant as ever, with each technology offering distinct advantages for different users. Let's break down the key differences using a series of focused comparison points to help you decide which printer is right for your needs. Print speed. Laser printers are the undisputed leaders in print speed. Most laser models can churn out 20 to 50 pages per minute, making them ideal for busy offices or anyone who needs to print large volumes quickly. In contrast, inkjet printers are slower, typically producing 5 to 20 pages per minute. This difference is especially noticeable when printing lengthy documents or handling multiple print jobs in succession. If speed is your top priority, the laser printer is the clear winner. Print quality, text and images compared. When it comes to text, laser printers excel. They produce crisp, sharp letter forms and dark blacks that are difficult for inkjets to match, making them perfect for professional documents and reports. Inkjet printers, however, shine in color reproduction and photo printing. Their dye and pigment-based inks allow for smooth color gradients and detailed images, making them the preferred choice for photos, graphics, and marketing materials. While laser printers can handle color, they often require specialized paper and may not achieve the same depth or vibrancy as inkjets. Color printing capabilities. Inkjet printers are generally superior for color printing. They reproduce vivid hues and subtle shades, making them ideal for photographs and graphics-heavy documents. Laser printers can print in color, but the process is optimized for text and simple graphics rather than detailed images. For users prioritizing photo quality and color accuracy, inkjets are the better option. Cost efficiency, upfront and ongoing expenses. Inkjet printers are typically cheaper to buy, with entry-level models available for as little as $100. Laser printers, on the other hand, often start around $200 due to their more complex components. However, the real cost difference emerges over time. Ink cartridges for inkjets are less expensive up front, but yield fewer pages and may dry out if not used regularly. Toner cartridges for lasers cost more initially, but last much longer and are less prone to drying out. As a result, the cost per page is significantly lower for laser printers, especially for high-volume users. Maintenance and reliability. Laser printers generally require less maintenance. They have fewer moving parts, and toner does not dry out, which means less frequent replacement and fewer issues with print quality over time. Inkjet printers, by contrast, need regular use to prevent ink from drying and print heads from clogging. This can lead to higher maintenance costs and more frequent troubleshooting, especially for users who print infrequently. Size and portability. Inkjet printers are usually smaller and lighter, making them easier to fit into tight spaces or move around as needed. This portability makes them a popular choice for home users or those with limited workspace. Laser printers, while more robust and durable, tend to be larger and heavier, which can be a drawback if space is at a premium. Best use cases. Home use. Inkjet printers are often favored for home use due to their lower upfront cost, smaller size, and superior photo printing capabilities. Office use. Laser printers dominate in office environments where speed, reliability, and low cost per page are crucial for handling large volumes of text documents. Photo printing. For photography enthusiasts and creative professionals, inkjet printers are the go-to choice thanks to their ability to produce vibrant, high-resolution images. Consumables. Toner versus ink cartridge costs. Toner cartridges for laser printers are more expensive initially, but last much longer, often yielding thousands of pages before needing replacement. Ink cartridges for inkjets are cheaper, but have a much lower yield, typically 250 to 300 pages per cartridge. Over time, the cost per page for toner is lower, especially for users who print frequently or in large volumes. Durability and longevity of prints. Laser printer outputs are immediately dry and smudge-proof, making them ideal for documents that need to be handled right away or stored long-term. Inkjet prints, especially those using water-soluble inks, can smudge if touched before drying and may fade over time if exposed to light or moisture ate. For archival quality documents, laser prints offer superior longevity. Paper handling and versatility. Laser printers can handle a wide variety of paper types, including heavy cardstock, envelopes, and labels, and often support double-sided printing. Inkjet printers are versatile as well, especially when it comes to glossy photo paper, but may be more limited in handling thicker media or specialty papers without smudging or bleeding. Noise levels during operation. Inkjet printers are generally quieter than laser printers, making them suitable for environments where noise is a concern. Laser printers, while not excessively loud, can produce more operational noise, particularly during warm-up and large print jobs. Warm-up time and standby efficiency. Laser printers typically require a brief warm-up period before printing, but once ready, they can produce pages rapidly. Inkjet printers have little to no warm-up time, which makes them convenient for occasional, on-demand printing. However, laser printers are more efficient for continuous or high-volume jobs, thanks to faster print speeds and less frequent paper reloading. Final thoughts. Choosing between a laser and an inkjet printer ultimately comes down to your specific needs. If you prioritize speed, durability, and cost efficiency for text-heavy or high-volume printing, a laser printer is likely your best bet. If you need vibrant color prints, high-quality photos, or a compact and affordable device for occasional use, an inkjet printer will serve you well. Consider your primary printing tasks, budget, and space to make the right choice for your home or office.